Dr. Jenna Andrade here, the Active Person's Chiropractor, and today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite benefits of the chiropractic adjustment, which is a better adaptability to stress. So I actually get adjusted on a weekly basis, and one of the reasons that I get adjusted regularly is it helps me to better adapt to stress. I release less cortisol and I release more of the feel-good hormones so that when life stressors come around, I'm better able to adapt and move on and not have a negative impact on my day.